In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Stripe for ACH payments. Whether you're a business owner in the US looking to accept direct debit payments from customers, or you simply want to provide more flexible payment options, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and go to stripe.com. Once the homepage loads, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your registered email address and password, then click Sign In to access your Stripe dashboard. If you don't already have a Stripe account, click Sign Up and follow the quick registration steps before continuing. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Stripe dashboard. This is where you manage payments, transactions, and settings. Now click on the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Inside the Settings page, scroll down to the Payments section under Product Settings and select Payment Methods. Here, you'll see a list of all available payment options you can enable for your account. Scroll down until you find ACH Direct Debit. This feature allows you to receive payments directly from customers' bank accounts, making it perfect for recurring payments or large transactions. Next to ACH Direct Debit, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and turn it on to enable the feature. Stripe may prompt you to complete additional verification steps, such as confirming your business and bank account details. Follow any on-screen instructions carefully. They're designed to ensure your setup is secure and compliant. To make the process smoother, make sure your Stripe account is verified, your bank account is linked, and your customers are based in the US, since ACH is primarily a US payment method. Taking these steps in advance can help prevent any delays during activation. Once activated, your customers will now see ACH Direct Debit as an available payment option during checkout. You can test this by creating a sample payment or invoice within your dashboard to confirm everything is working correctly. It's also a good idea to review your payment notifications and refund settings while you're in the dashboard to ensure your ACH transactions are tracked properly. Doing this helps you stay organized and maintain transparency with your customers. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set up Stripe for ACH payments easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.